Face Meta 2. Is it a scam or is it a legit project? I'll be telling you my thoughts at the end of this video, but first let's review the project. So the first thing we always do is review the contract code. And I'm going to use this tool now, which is recommended by CoinMarketCap, called Go Plus Labs. And I've ran their contract through their tool already. And there's five items which need attention. Now, the first one, which obviously is very concerning, is functions that can suspend trading. There's a warning sign here. There is a blacklist function. So this, immediately I'm saying this is a scam. I don't like projects which contain blacklist functions, and I definitely don't like anything where the trading can be suspended. That's a very big warning. BNB Chain also says it's a high-risk project, so they say investment towards this project are highly unrecommended. So that's another reason why you should not invest into this project. On the other hand, BS check, is just giving a warning sign, which is kind of odd, but okay. And then token sniffer doesn't really seem to say much. However, they do say source code does source code does contain a max transaction amount. So I don't know. It does have a low score, but it seems to be missing out on a lot of problems with this contract. So I'm going to say this project is a scam because of what we have here, and we have BNB Chain, the authority of Binance Smart Chain, saying this is a high-risk project. You should definitely not invest into this project. And I've reviewed the website, and it has absolutely no utility. Saying we are Web 3.0, it's not a utility. So that's a huge warning sign already.